So we preheated our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and now we're going to start making our apple pie.
Okay, we peeled, cored, and chopped 6 apples into this bowl.
Okay, so we're going to start by putting our ingredients in. We're going to put 1 cup of white sugar.
And 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour.
Our next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice. And if you don't have apple pie spice, you can use nutmeg or cinnamon, or put them half and half.
Okay, next we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of butter.
Okay, and our last ingredient is 1 or a dash. You can do like half teaspoon or just a dash of salt. Just going to put a little bit.
Okay, now we're going to mix this together.
Okay, and while Lainey is mixing, I'm going to talk to you about the rest of our pie. We have a 9-inch pie pan, and I've just bought some pie crust from my grocery store nearby. It's at most grocery stores. And after she's mixing, we're going to put it in here, and we're going to put a cover on top, and we have a little gadget that we're going to use to cut our cover so that steam comes, you have to have holes in the top or slits so that you can, when it's in the oven, the steam can come out. Exactly. Okay.
And this doesn't have any liquid in it, so it's a little difficult to stir here. Okay.
Almost good. Okay. And once it's all covered, then we're just going to put it in here.
The apple spice makes it really good.
Okay. We got this. And we're going to carefully put it in this pie pan. And sometimes it can be a little overflowed in the top of the bowl, but that's perfectly fine because it's really good for bone pie. Here, put it back up. We're going to spread this out.
There's a lot in it, and it makes it really good because it's full. Just pack it down.
Pack it down.
Yeah.
Rubber spatula that we've used to scoop out the excess, like the flour and stuff. And now we're going to put the extra.
And it's going to be pretty tall, so just pack
we
it
have
down.
we have a big pie crust, so if it's overflowing,
It's fine. It's fine.
Just pack it down. Okay, and now what we're going to do is put our cover on.
Did you explain about this?
You can talk more about it if you'd like.
Okay, we just have this thing. You can just we use it to just cut the pie crust, but you can just use a knife or whatever. It just helps to get the steam out.
Yeah.
Making a little mess.
Okay, now that we have this in here, we're going to put this on. So we're just going to press this down in our pie crust and move it around. You want to get it really good so that this gets down. Okay, we're going to put this up. And then you just want to take them out.
Yeah,
And you can throw them away or you can put them on top. We're just going to throw them away.
Yeah.
Put them in the trash. And sorry, this is taking a while. Okay. And then
big one. Big apple.
Okay. Okay, we're going to put this in the trash can.
Okay, now we're just going to put this on top.
And it usually sticks to the wax paper if you have it on for a while.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's great.
And it's really pretty when you have cutters like this because then you can see the apples underneath and it's really pretty. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of press this down against the edge to see where the edge is.
And we're going to
cut the excess.
This is a great recipe for Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holiday, or just for a dessert.
Yep. Or birthday, whatever. Anything works. Okay.
into a ball.
Okay. And we're going to pinch the sides. This is beautiful. Pack it down, and we're going to pinch the sides.
Because it'll rise when
so that they seal.
cooking, yeah. So it'll expand.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to put this in the oven, and it's going to taste great. See you on our next, just click on part 2. Just leave comments, and on the comments put what you want us to cook next.
Okay.
Just a request.